Welcome to my productive after school routine. First step is to hit the gym in the gym parking lot right now. Gonna do a full body workout. I'll see you guys on the top floor of the gym. Hey guys, I see one of my former classmates, Jordan, at the gym today. He's gonna say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
What's up? What's your plan for your workout today?
I just finished, but legs and chest today.
Nice, okay.
Yeah.
Guys, I just bumped into my friend Anjali. She just started working at Lifetime. I'm cutting up the banana. How was your workout today?
It was good. I did a 4:50 mile time, but on the elliptical.
I'm gonna get my nails redone. I think I'm just gonna do like a light pink, like neutral thing, because I don't really want to do something like that bold right now. And get this pedicure. We just finished getting our nails done. Took approximately like 2 hours.
Mine took 30 minutes.
I got just like a neutral pinkish color, blush tone.
I got a popping ass mango color.
And I got my nails done. I forgot to wear open-toed shoes.
No, not the free toes.
My biggest high performance like productivity tip is to not rely on your after school night routine to be productive. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the times I've finished up my day at high school and then I get home and I feel all this pressure to get my schoolwork done, to work on YouTube stuff, but it's like I'm so tired after school. I usually need like at least an hour just like to mentally wind down, which is like why I like to go to the gym after school, why I like to work out, because it gives me the opportunity to just mentally, you know, relax. When we rely on our night routine for productivity, it just ends with us like staying up really late to do homework. At least that was the case for me. Like freshman year, I would stay up till like 12 p.m. finishing my math homework. What I do instead of having this like super long whole night routine ordeal is to really take my night routine as an opportunity to prepare for my morning routine. My morning routine is really where the productive magic happens, to be honest. And yes, I have to fold that clothes back there. I will do that before I go to sleep. I literally promise you guys. I use my night routine to really just like unwind mentally, spend time with family, and get ready for the next day. It's really important to narrow down the part of your day where you are at peak performance. So if you get your best work done in the morning, please do not waste your time at night trying to just push yourself to study, because it's just such a better use of your time to be efficient when you're naturally efficient, and then to just have social time when you're naturally not efficient. Actually, I'll like have phone calls with friends often, like at 8 p.m. at night, and I'll just walk outside with my dog. And it's just like in every week, I already need that social time, so I'm just choosing to socialize when I'm least effective at my schoolwork. And then in the morning at 5 a.m., I'm obviously not hanging out with friends, and that's when I do my deep work. So really my philosophy with productivity is figure out the time of the day where you're the most effective and protect that time for your most important, like hardest subjects at school. Something that I actually really enjoy and appreciate about my night routine is that I really get to process the most, like my emotions during this time, specifically my emotional pain. I want to open up about this more because I feel like sometimes on my channel it gives the impression that like I have my life together or I'm sometimes too perfect. I don't know. You know, I've asked friends to give me feedback and how I come off, and a lot of people have told me, oh, you kind of come off unrelatable, like you have everything together. And I feel like the reason why I may come off like that is because a lot of my problems are truly like very internal and kind of deep and sometimes hard to talk about, and they aren't necessarily visible to everyone on the outside. Most of the time you can't tell them like breaking down or whatever. I think recently I've been more aware of the emotional pain in my life because like specifically with relationships, because recently I made some really good friends. I finally have friends that I literally talk to every day that I love and I feel like truly help me grow. And I've made all these friends online and we'll call really often, and I'm so freaking grateful for that, right? But it's also set up an expectation in my life where I'm like, why don't I have more of these friendships in person? And kind of like, why are my family relationships not meeting this standard? And I just have to remind myself that I can't expect love from other people, but I have to continue opening up myself to love, because I don't know, I feel like it's really easy when you get hurt or like when you feel like you didn't get the love that you really wanted to just close yourself off. But I truly believe that my best self keeps her heart open even when other people hurt her, because it's not my responsibility to focus on someone else's half of a relationship, but it's my responsibility to focus on my half and make sure that I'm not closing myself off. Okay, I'm gonna walk in the street because I want to get some more steps in. I've been challenging myself that every single day before my school year ends, I'm gonna get 10,000 steps just daily, just to make sure that I'm staying active. It's really good accountability, and I feel like sometimes just setting numerical goals really helps me stay on track. I just really appreciate how every single day is an opportunity to just show up as a new self. I think I really reflect on that every single night, like kind of just like how I showed up in my day. Got my 10K steps done. Now I'm gonna take care of my clothes. The whole theme of using my night routine to prepare for my morning routine, I think I really just need to clean my room so that right when I wake up tomorrow morning, I'm like ready to get set. Tomorrow I'm waking up at 4 a.m. and to keep myself accountable of waking up at 4 a.m., I should have scheduled a call with my friends from France for 5 a.m. to do work together so that I have to wake up because someone else is counting on me. So really good tip, if you guys suck at waking up early, schedule a call with a friend that will actually keep you accountable. And unfortunately, I have some computer work to catch up on before I go to sleep tonight, so putting my blue light blockers on. I don't like when I do work this late. It's literally 8 p.m. Guys, I literally get stressed once it becomes 8 p.m. because I feel like I should be in bed. I don't know, but whatever. I'm just gonna be in acceptance of it. You know, sometimes it's literally just our resistance to certain things in our lives that causes the stress. It's not even a thing. So I'm just gonna accept that it is 8:50 p.m. and I'm not in bed for sleep yet. Okay, whatever. I'm literally choosing not to care. This is like the type A personality coming out of me right now. I frequently have to remind myself not to care. My plan for tomorrow morning is 4 to 5 a.m. morning self-care, getting ready, Bible study, everything. 5 a.m. hopping on the call with my friend to work on my business, and then getting ready for school. The best video for you guys to watch now is my morning routine video. I show you guys exactly how I have a high performance morning routine as a high school student. So I'll see you guys there on that video.